myself Anuradha. Title of the project is hand gesture recognition. The problem does by this project is communication barrier, and the goal of this project is to develop a system that recognizes sign language gesture and converts them into voice output through LCD display.
Myself Kuldeep 7301, and our project hand gesture recognition rely on auditory communication, rely on individuals who communicate through auditory communication. And sign languages are the primary means of communication between the people who have hearing impairments. So our goal of the project is to develop a comprehensive system that helps the people with hearing impairments through voice output and display output.
And the existing solutions are Microsoft Kinect-based systems and computer vision-based systems. Microsoft Kinect-based systems uses depth sensing technology to recognize hand and body movements. Kinect is a device developed by Microsoft for gaming console. Disadvantages of this system is Microsoft Kinect's depth sensing capabilities are affected by various environmental factors like complex backgrounds, lighting conditions, etc. And the second existing solution is computer vision-based systems. Computer vision-based system uses machine learning algorithms and image processing to recognize hand and body movements. And disadvantages are hand tracking problems and image processing problems.
Good morning, my name is Chandrakant from AML section, and the proposed solution of our project is to convey the conversations between the blind people, deaf people and the normal people. It conveys the conversations by using the hand gestures, which are determined by the flux sensors inserted into the gloves of the fingers, and the output which is given to the blind people is in the form of the speaker, so the blind people can't see the display, and the output given for the blind deaf people is through the display, so that they can't hear the output from the speaker, so they can listen, so they can see through the LCD display.
My name is Dharmeshwar Reddy from T7. My roll number is 7360. The components which we used in our project are like sensor, speaker, LCD display, voice module, calibration board, Arduino UNO, and power supply. How it works is, first we connect the sensors to the calibration board. It gives input to the Arduino. From Arduino it gives output through voice module, which is connected to speaker, which comes the voice output. And Arduino is connected to LCD display, which is used to display output.